Let's jump right into this explainer by looking past the world's most famous consumer brands to uncover the invisible ecosystem that actually makes modern technology possible. We naturally tend to focus on the shiny products we hold in our hands or the software apps we interact with every single day. But today, we're exploring a parallel world. It's an ecosystem of highly profitable businesses that intentionally stay completely out of the spotlight, all while quietly shaping our entire future. If I asked you to name the most valuable companies on Earth right now, you'd inevitably rattle off the familiar giants dominating our daily lives. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Meta. We see their logos absolutely everywhere, and we constantly read about their CEOs. Because they completely command the headlines, it's incredibly easy to just assume that they are building the future entirely on their own. But here's the thing, that assumption reveals a massive blind spot in how we view the economy. These tech behemoths, despite all their billions in wealth and their armies of engineering talent, would grind to an absolute halt without a hidden network of specialized suppliers operating entirely behind the scenes. These unknown companies don't sell smartphones, they definitely don't run flashy Super Bowl ads, yet they provide the absolute necessities that allow those highly visible platforms to even exist. Economists actually have a fantastic term for these foundational enablers. They call them picks and shovels businesses. It's a brilliant historical callback to the California gold rush. Think about it. Back then, many of the most consistent, reliable fortunes weren't actually made by the prospectors digging in the dirt for gold. No, they were made by the clever merchants selling the essential equipment, the literal picks and shovels, that every single miner desperately needed to do their job. Today, the exact same principle applies. It proves that sometimes the absolute best way to capitalize on a massive trend isn't to join the gold rush yourself, it's to supply the equipment everyone else is literally forced to buy. Now, this dynamic exposes what I like to call the grand illusion of modern manufacturing. Let's take the artificial intelligence boom, for instance, which depends entirely on increasingly powerful computer chips. Recognizable brands like Nvidia, AMD, or Apple are rightfully celebrated for designing the architecture of these chips, but they completely rely on an obscure group of companies to actually manufacture them. Because designing the blueprint is just step one. Bringing that incredibly complex structure into the physical world requires a totally different kind of magic. A perfect example of this is a company out of the Netherlands called ASML. They build the most sophisticated manufacturing systems ever created by human beings. We're talking about extreme ultraviolet lithography machines that manipulate structures measured in billionths of a meter. That's mind-bogglingly small. Without ASML's highly exclusive, incredibly precise equipment, the world's most advanced chips simply wouldn't exist, period. Yet, until fairly recently, almost no one outside of the hardcore tech sector had ever even heard their name. Just to put this sheer scale into perspective for a second, a single one of ASML's machines contains hundreds of thousands of components, weighs well over 100 tons, and costs hundreds of millions of dollars. Honestly, it requires multiple Boeing 747s just to ship a single unit. They have effectively monopolized the bleeding edge of physics, which makes them an absolutely indispensable pillar of the entire global economy. Okay, but even with ASML's flawless machines, manufacturing at the atomic level is ridiculously risky. And that is exactly where a company like KLA steps in, to build out our invisible network. They provide the vital inspection and metrology systems that catch tiny, completely invisible defects during production. Keep in mind, a single microscopic imperfection can ruin an entire batch of advanced chips. So by identifying these problems before they turn into enormously expensive failures, KLA acts as the critical quality control backbone for the world's leading chip makers. But wait, let's take a step back. Before any of this physical manufacturing even begins, you need the blueprints, right? You won't find Synopsys products sitting on a shelf in a retail store, but they provide the absolutely essential electronic design automation software. Engineers use their highly complex platforms to actually map out the dense, intricate integrated circuits found in modern electronics. As chips get exponentially more sophisticated, software like this is the non-negotiable starting point for every single piece of tech you own. And look, this hidden economy extends far, far beyond just semiconductors. Everything from your local hospital to modern car factories relies heavily on B2B suppliers that rarely, if ever, advertise to the general public. You might recognize the famous automobile brand, but that factory is actually running on hidden industrial automation and robotics. You trust a state-of-the-art hospital, but the medical imaging and precision instruments, those come from specialized scientific manufacturers. Even every website you visit relies completely on unbranded cooling infrastructure and fiber optics to keep the cloud running. So you might be wondering, What exactly makes these behind-the-scenes companies so incredibly dominant and profitable? Well, unlike consumer brands chasing billions of fickle individual shoppers, these leaders serve a highly concentrated group of corporate clients. And the kicker is, they practically guarantee long-term loyalty because they are just so deeply embedded into their clients' workflows. For a client to switch suppliers, it would literally require billions of dollars, staggering systemic overhauls, and years of testing. Once these hidden giants get their foot in the door, they are pretty much permanent. Which brings us to exactly why they remain so invisible to us. While consumer brands live and die by shifting public trends, viral moments, and flashy marketing campaigns, these hidden juggernauts are playing a totally different game. They target their marketing directly at engineers, procurement teams, and industrial buyers. And for those clients, relentless technical reliability and consistent performance will trump brand recognition every single time. Now let's talk about the artificial intelligence boom, because it is only amplifying the importance of this invisible ecosystem. We often casually think of AI as just software, like a neat chatbot or an image generator on our screens, but in reality, every single AI query happens in the physical world, humming away inside a sprawling data center. And let me tell you, those data centers demand a staggering expansion of physical tech just to function. Specialized networking equipment, industrial-scale commercial cooling systems, and highly intricate electrical infrastructure. And if we look back, history repeatedly demonstrates this exact same pattern of who really profits during massive technological shifts. During the automobile boom, sure, the car companies got rich, but the tire manufacturers, the steel producers, and the oil companies, they built generational wealth. The internet era propelled telecom providers and cloud infrastructure businesses straight to the top. Just like those booms before it, the AI revolution is heavily rewarding the obscure companies supplying the modern picks and shovels. Now, I don't want to make it sound like a walk in the park. Staying at the top of these highly specialized billion-dollar industries is brutally tough. These companies face absolutely staggering research and development costs just to maintain their edge. They battle intense global competition where falling behind technically means losing your market entirely. Plus, they have to constantly navigate complex geopolitical tensions that can completely disrupt international supply chains overnight. Technological leadership here is absolutely never guaranteed. It has to be earned continuously. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to remember that the modern narrative of innovation is often pretty incomplete. We love to celebrate the famous visionaries and those big household brands. But behind every single famous breakthrough is an incredibly rich, complex ecosystem of unknown specialists, engineers, and suppliers quietly doing the heavy lifting. So the next time you hold a revolutionary new gadget or interact with an unbelievable piece of AI, I want you to ask yourself this question: not just who built the product, but who built the tools that made it possible.